We live in a time of great invention, a world where science never sleeps. Those great scientific minds that brought us the audio generator Mark I and the otherworldly sounds that emanate from this device have applied their skills to try and tame the audio output and provide something which is more friendly towards the human ear. The result is the stepping sequence control. This device will provide a series of step sequences that will control the output of the audio generator and hopefully give something that the human ear will find more familiar and pleasing. Allow me to demonstrate. I can only wonder at what the future may hold, as once again our scientists push back the boundaries of science and technology. Let's take a closer look at how the stepping sequence control actually works. We'll start by walking through the controls on the device. Power is provided by the switch on the side. Turning the device on, we can see that the light tubes will start to illuminate, each one stepping in time to the clock on the timer. Controlling the clock is via this control. If we turn the speed down, we can see the sequence on the lights is slower. Increasing the speed, we can see the sequence on the lights increase. Each of these 4 additional control knobs will control the level of the control voltage output, which is fed to whichever device. In our case, the audio generator Mark I is being controlled by the stepping sequence control, and the output is via the jack socket on the end there, which corresponds to the jack plug on the audio generator Mark I. So that's the basic controls on the device. Let's have a look inside and see how this thing is actually put together. I have removed the 4 screws that hold the top on the stepping sequence control, so we can now lift the lid and see what's going on under the hood. So this is the back of the lid. The potentiometer on the end here is the one that controls the speed of the sequencer. The other 4 potentiometers are the ones that set the output voltage level of each step in the sequence. The tube lights on the top are actually rods of perspex that are illuminated by LEDs inserted in the base. If we look inside the box, we can see that the power is provided by a single 9-volt battery. This is the power on off switch. This is the output jack socket for the control voltages. These are the circuit boards. This first circuit board is the main board. The clock is a 555 timer, and the sequencer is a 4017 decade counter. The outputs are fed to a strip board which contains diodes and current limiting resistors. The diodes are to prevent feedback via the sequence stepping, and the resistors are current controlling resistors to prevent burning out the diodes. The design is exactly the same as a Baby 8 sequencer. The only difference is that the reset takes place after the 4th step. So, there we have the latest marvel in the technological developments in audio generation.